This is what I got for $40. Comes with a monitor. Comes with a lot to run the video. For the brake light. To activate it when you put it in reverse. The camera is right in there. With the bracket. And comes with the tap-ins. So you can hook it up to power support. Got that 3M sticky on the bottom so you can attach it to anything. Instruction booklet. And the adapter, plug in your cigarette lighter. And another mount to mount it up higher and on a swivel. Pretty sweet for 40 bucks. Under $40 actually. I will send another video of installing it.
Alright, this is my 30-second review of the backup camera sold on Amazon. That's how it looks. This is installed on a 2007 Dodge Ram. It's ran up underneath. Got it running up under the carpet, through the dash. It mounted pretty well. Installation was quick, and I got it wired into the reverse lights. There's the picture quality. Pretty happy with it. Works well. Easy to install.